Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. You'll find 60 plus amazing goddess braids hairstyles for black women. Some of the very best DIY goddess braids hairstyle ideas, easy goddess braids hairstyles. You can also find box braids hairstyles for long hair. If you're looking for suitable hairstyles to rock this weekend, you should definitely know that the goddess look is a wonderful way to give yourself a standout look. Very unique and amazing hairstyle, very easy hairstyle to go for when it comes to braiding. You can find braiding hairstyles for black women all through this video. You can find some of the very best hairstyle ideas for natural hair. You can find beautiful and amazing hairstyles of different variations for black hair. Big jumbo size braid hairstyles all through. If it's a straight back, a ponytail, beautiful and amazing two braid hairstyles. You can also find bohemian style braid hairstyles for black women, updo braid hairstyles all through. What hair to use for goddess box braids? If that's your question, you'll definitely find your reply or answer right here as you watch through the end. We really hope you get inspiration right after watching this. You can find various hair color, hair extensions being used to achieve most of this hair look. You can definitely let us know your thoughts about this wonderful video in the comment section. Share your thoughts, keep coming back for more. We really hope you get a wonderful experience right after watching this. Subscribe to this channel, leave us a like. Of course, leave us a like. Do not forget the notification bell, and also check out our previously uploaded videos. We have lots of amazing ideas for you within this channel when it comes to braids or braiding look, the use of hair extensions of various types and sizes, as well as length. You should definitely watch out for what we have for you every single day. And also, you can check out if you missed out on our previously uploaded videos. We encourage you to check them out. Keep coming back for more. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.